Thinking about a business account? You've probably asked, are Novo wire transfers free? It's a simple question with a not-so-simple answer, because free can mean a lot of different things depending on how you're sending your money. First, let's talk about the two main types of transfers, incoming and outgoing. If you're receiving a wire transfer to your Novo account, the good news is, that's completely free. You won't pay a dime for an incoming domestic or international wire. It's a great feature, especially if you're a freelancer or small business owner getting paid by clients. But what about sending money out? This is where it gets a little more nuanced. When it comes to outgoing wire transfers, Novo does have a fee. For domestic outgoing wires, the cost can be up to $30. And if you're sending money internationally, Novo uses a third-party partner, which will have its own set of fees. It's not a flat rate, so the cost will depend on the amount you're sending, the destination, and the exchange rate at the time. So, to wrap it all up, incoming wire transfers to Novo are free. Outgoing domestic wire transfers have a fee, and outgoing international transfers have a different set of fees through a partner service. It's a key distinction to remember when managing your business finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.